What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and we are back here with another soap dispenser, sensor soap dispenser. This is from Amazon. This is not the one from Walmart. The one from Walmart didn't even have a box. It just came like that with a little paper around it. So that one will stay in our storage. This one I'm going to put in the basement bathroom, and be on the lookout because I will have at least 3 or 4 more of these coming. I like this style of touchless. Now I wish it was rechargeable, but unfortunately with this one, again, I need to go get AA batteries, which I left upstairs again. This brand is called Otto. I bought mine for $20. I should have just bought it used. You can get it used for like $13. I'm backlogged. When I buy stuff on Amazon, I don't even review it right away because, as you know, I'm always occupied. So I will fill it up. I will give you this blah 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 stuff. So on the bottom here, obviously you got the screw right there. Put your 4 AA's in. Open this up. You put your soap in. You have your power button right here, which took us forever to find the other one, but now we learning. Liquid base. All right, you guys. So let me go ahead and get some soap, get some batteries, and test out the integrity of this product. Alright, you guys, so it's time to add the soap. Pop open the top, lift that up. I got this lavender soap on Walmart. Now somebody said, oh, it's a difference when it's a thicker soap or thinner soap, but y'all can be the judge of that. To me, all of it's the same. Now when you fill it up in here, it shows you the level in front filling up. So let me stop it real quick. When you fill it up in there, you can actually see the front go up with the soap. But we're looking at the top to make sure we just don't overfill. So we almost use this whole bottle, which is 11 ounces. I am basically at the top of this. I use 11 ounces of this soap right here. Close the top, might get a little messy. That's closed. Yeah, so I filled it up a little too much. Now right here is the power button, just in case y'all don't know. I learned that one the hard way, it took me forever. But you press that power button. When nothing comes out yet, you gotta give it a while to come through the line. Alright. And now you have touchless soap dispenser, which is awesome, right? Everything is touchless. The sink is touchless. Not the sink, well, the faucet. So washing your hands is fun now. And it smells good too. Alright, now it's time for me to get like 4 more of these things because I have to put one in every bathroom. You guys, I'm having too much fun. If you need to know anything else about this product right here, let me know in the comment section. If you want to know anything about this product, let me know in the comment section. But yeah, that will be it. Like, comment, share, wash your hands, and subscribe.